it's like an open field for anybody and everybody who wants to really up their bar, because it's something that today whatever I'm doing, tomorrow I want to do it slightly better than what I had been doing. It could be, upskilling in just about the IT skills, which can help you analyze your work better. So it's not limited to a structured format wherein just we are picking up, a few handful of them and just going through, months and months of training them for a future role. It's like an everyday, increase in their capabilities, increase in their competencies, which we are rewarding, we are recognizing. And I think just adding on to their responsibilities and increasing their KPIs as they move forward. So that, they feel rewarded because of that, those little steps that they are taking. So I don't think HR should just focus on few handful. Let's look at the entire workforce in a totality. When you showed that first picture about that rivet going slow, or I
It's
won't
it's coming out.
coming out. For me, it's not just about the chain. For me, it's the entire cycle which just breaks down because it
True, true.
it loses on your basic morale. It loses on so many other aspects. So the cost of attrition, as Urfi also said, it's not tangible all the time. There is an intangible cost to it as well.